So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you're going from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may have said your position.
Check accuracy.
Accuracy is correct for 10 points.
Hello, folks. We would like to welcome you to the grand finale or the last day of the science games. This is the continuation or the final day here for our science STEM program. We have the Tubman Institute from Montserrado County. The first is the WVS Tubman from Bong County. To not procrastinate time, we'd like to go over to WVS Tubman for introduction. 60 seconds.
Yes, thank you. Thank you all so much, veteran, for the time and opportunity to introduce ourselves. But before going to the introduction, I would like to recognize the hardworking, energetic, vibrant, resilient principal of the WVS Tubman High School. She is Reverend Dr. Anakila Labla. And not forgetting my veteran, all with me, that's Miss Salamu Mugu and Jonam Chocolate. Today in studio, I've come with this brilliant scientist. He's going else, but
as a very report for today, Dr. Betty.
Dr. Betty is his name. Playing today, you can call me Samuel Papa, you can call it is my binomial nomenclature. But when the game gets intensified, you either call me Abba Vida, what is something located within the occipital loop of the human brain, or you call me Legends Effect.
All right, let's go over to Tubman Institute. Tubman, you have 60 seconds to give us your intro.
Thank you, veteran, for giving me the privilege to introduce myself in studio today. Before I can introduce myself, let me recognize one distinct personality. Firstly, I'll let me recognize Winston Pataya Free Source, Oliver Tushis, and that of Ibrahim Morris Kopu, who is known as Kasnoche. Representing the big one as Tubman Conference, I remain successful, sophisticated, Richmond Market Summer. I also my transversing policy. Using the often a fair to me as 10 minutes or what 10 minutes because my city of the travel plan stop translation. You don't matter say I drop a penny, Sido Homo sapien, which is the first movie and Sido Homo sapien. Thank you.
All right. My name is Willie B. Bedell. I will be joined by Thomas Tappet, who is currently not in studio. However, we will go straight into the game by first assigning your boozers, and then we'll move on to the set of questions to be read. So Tigre, what is going to be a boozing point?
Tigre.
And Tubman, what is going to be a boozing point?
Choo.
Choo. All right. So we have this is the third place game, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the third place game. Let's move on to question number one. 'A living organism who possesses both male and female. True. Complete.
Who they say both male and female reproductive organ to be precise, which they have cells by the process or sequential is referred to as what?
And your answer.
Hermaphroditic or hermaphrodite.
Take 10.
Sergeant,
Yes.
the network is leaving us behind. The network is not set. After you reading, you can stick to outside. We're getting ready to get a content erosion.
All right. I'll try to be audible. Can you hear me now?
We are hearing, but at time when you're reading, you just pause and observe that Tubman will be hearing, but why we are not hearing you?
Okay. What do you advise?
That's the network system I'm talking about, actually.
Yeah, but
log off and log by NC.
okay. So let the coordinator take care of that. All right. So Truvan, give us a split second.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you're going from, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Which does say that the volume organ by a phase amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature.
Tigre, are you back? Tigre, can you hear me now? Tigre, can you hear me? No, I'm not hearing. Unmute your mic.
Can you hear us now?
Yes.
Sure.
The question is going to be number 2. The question is going to be number 2. Identify this law. Rate is equal to the rate constant times the molecular concentration of the reactant raised to the third power of the reaction. Rate is equal to...
I'm getting it, man.
Yes. The rate law.
Take 10.
I'm getting
The
it,
rate
man.
law.
Take 10.
Now it's getting power is out, version.
No, you're not paying attention. Chuvan, can you hear me? I need you to pay attention. You're not paying attention. Stop complaining on the network and pay attention. Can you do that? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Good. Let's move on to the third question. Question is going to be number 3. The distance between 2 points measure.
What?
Please pay attention. You interrupt me. I give you -5. Pay attention. The distance between 2 points measured in the reference frame where the observer and the point are at rest can be referred to as what?
2.
True.
Redshift.
Wrong. The distance between 2 points measured in the reference frame where the observer and the point are at rest can be referred to as what?
Tigre,
Tigre.
I go for the Doppler radar.
The answer is called the proper length. The proper length. Hold on a second.
We are not getting you.
Can you hear
We
me
are
now?
not getting.
Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah.
Yeah,
Emphasis: the phenomenon whereby X-ray scatter from materials have decreased energy is called what? In
two,
physics.
two, 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 two.
Choo choo choo.
Yes, still scattering effect.
Wrong. In physics, the phenomenon whereby X-rays scattered from materials have decreased energy is called what?
Tigre,
Degree.
take D artificial energy.
The answer is called Compton effect. Compton effect. Compton effect. Compton effect. And the question is going to be number 5. The question is going to be number 5. Essential minerals like manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, selenium, and iodine that the body need in tiny quantities is called what?
Come again, Fedra.
Essential minerals like manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, selenium, and iodine that the body needs in tiny quantities is called what?
Tigre.
Two, 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 two.
Tigre.
Take macronutrients.
Wrong. Wrong. Essential minerals like manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc, selenium, and iodine that the body needs in tiny quantities is called what?
Two, two, two.
True.
Fatima.
The answer is trace elements. Trace elements. And that was the 5th question. Let's move on to the 6th question. Let's move on to the 6th question. A kind of chemical reaction in aqueous solutions where two ionic bond compound
Tigre.
complete.
A type of chemical reaction usually occurring in aqueous solution in which two bonds usually combine to form a large compound can be referred as what?
And what is your answer?
Combination reaction.
Wrong. A, a kind of chemical reaction. A kind of chemical reaction in an aqueous solution where two ionic bonds combine to form insoluble salt as a byproduct is referred to as what?
Esterification.
Wrong. The answer is called precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. That was question number 6. Move on to question number 7. Move on to question number 7. Pen to paper. Pen to paper. What is the mass of a 3.56 mole of HgCl substrate 2? The molar mass of HgCl substrate 2 is 271.49 gram per mole. I come again. What is the mass of a 3.56 mole of HgCl substrate 2? The molar mass of HgCl substrate 2 is 271.49 gram per mole. 1 minute.
Tigre.
Tigre.
Take your answer to be 1,400 and
1, 2, 3, 4.
1,415 grams.
You're wrong.
Okay, kg.
You're wrong. What is the mass of a 3.56 mole of HgCl substrate 2? The molar mass of HgCl substrate 2 is 271.49 gram per mole.
Yeah, Pedro, 2. 1,430.
You're wrong. The answer is 967 grams. 967 grams. 967 grams. That was question number 6. 6 or question number 7?
Question number 7.
That's
Question number
question.
6.
Excuse me? Hello, guys. I'm asking you. What was the question number?
Question number 7.
Question number 7. And the question is going to be number 8. The question is going to be number 8. Molecules or compounds that violate the octet rule, where these compounds have less than 8 electrons around an atom in their molecules, is called what? Molecules or compounds that violate the octet rule, where these compounds have less than 8 electrons around the atom in the molecule, is called what?
Tigre. I go for valence electrons.
Wrong. Molecules or compounds that violate the octet rule, where these compounds have less than 8 electrons around an atom in a molecule, is called what? Sure.
Yeah, my answer is octet.
The answer is electron deficient molecule. Thomas Taber, over to you for the next 2 questions. Next 2 questions to end the first half.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome. Without much time to waste, I'll move on to the next 2 questions to end the first half. Question is question number 7.
Okay, 1 question and then you can go into the second half. This is question number 9.
The question is question number 9, and I read for both schools. Question number 9, and I read. A related organism that includes an ancestor and all of its descendants can better be referred to as what?
Tigre.
True.
Tigre on the phone.
Is referred to as what?
The answer.
Yeah, adaptive radiation.
You're wrong. Tigre, the question. A related organism that includes an ancestor, and all of its descendants can better be referred to as what?
Tigre. Aquafor,
Tigre,
not
your
the
answer?
L Cledastic. Cledastic.
Come again.
Cledastic is my answer. Cledastic.
Clear group or clear diastolic is precise for 10 points. 10 points.
All right.
And folks,
So
that's how
Thomas,
we,
you can sail right into
okay.
the second half.
So folks, that's how we come to the end of the first half without much time to waste. We'll move directly into the second half, starting with question number one. The question is question number one, second half, and I read. The group of physical processes by which some form of radiation, such as light, sound, or moving particles, are forced to deflect from a script trajectory by one or more locus non-uniform in the medium through which they pass is referred to as what? I
Tigre.
read again.
Come again, sir.
The
Tigre,
general physical
Tigre,
process by
Tigre, Tigre,
Tigre,
Tigre, Tigre, Tigre.
Take your answer to be refraction.
you are wrong.
Refraction.
Your question, you are wrong. Your question, Tuvan, and I read. The general physical process by which some form of radiation, such as light, sound, or moving particles, are forced to deflect from a straight trajectory by one or more local non-uniform in the medium through which they pass is referred to as what?
Yeah, version 2.
True. What is the answer?
Deformation. Deformation.
Deformation is wrong. Scattering will have been precise. Scattering will have been precise. Scattering will have been precise. The question is question. The question is question number two, second half, and I read for both schools. A function of the reproductive system that returns the body to its normal resting stage after sexual orgasm is referred to as what?
2.
True.
True. What is the answer?
Yeah, take. No left, version.
Time.
Time. Your question. A function of the reproductive system that returns the body to its normal resting stage after sexual orgasm is referred to as what?
Tigre.
Your answer.
Tigre. Tigre. I go for homeostasis.
You are wrong. Resolution will have been precise. Resolution will have been precise. And that was question number two for the second half. Question is question. The question is question number three, second half. And I read for both schools. Question number three, second half. A state in which both reactants and products are present in the
True.
concentration.
True. True.
Two.
True.
Our presence in the concentrations of or reactions is referred to as what?
And what is the answer?
Equilibrium state.
Equilibrium state is
Or
precise for 10
equilibrium.
points. 10 points. 10 points.
Was that question number three?
That was question number three.
All right. So let's move on to question number four from my end. Thomas, please tell me with the recognition of the bell. The direct
Okay.
way of reporting radioactivity is the number of radioactive decay per second, 1 decay per second is called what?
Tigre.
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 I go for decay frequency.
Wrong. The direct way of reporting radioactivity is the number of radioactivity decay per second. 1 decay per second is called what?
Two.
True.
Decay constant.
Wrong. Becquerel. Question is going to be number 2, pen and paper. The velocity of a wave is given by the formula W is equal to lambda over t. The velocity of a wave is given by the formula W is equal to lambda over t. Here's the question. Calculate the velocity of a wave of the distance between when the distance between the wave crest is 10 meter and the time a bird go up and down is 5 seconds.
Tigre.
Tigre.
Your answer is the velocity will be 2 meters per second.
2 meters per second. Correct. And the question is going to be number 6. The question is number 6. What gland located below the corpus callosum in the middle of the brain produce the hormone melatonin?
Two.
True.
Pineal gland.
Pineal gland. Take 10. Thomas, over to you.
Question number 7. Question is question number 7, and I read for both schools. Question number 7, and I read for both schools. 600 kilogram object displays 800 liters of water when fully submerged. What is the buoyant force acting on it? I read again. A 600 kilogram object displays 800 liters of water when it is fully submerged. What is the buoyant force acting on it? And the formula for the buoyant force is equal to the velocity and the density of water times the gravitational acceleration. I read again. The formula for the buoyant force is the velocity times the density of times the gravitational acceleration. That's the formula for the buoyant force.
Tigre.
What is the answer?
My answer is 4,800,000.
You are wrong. Truvan, what is the answer?
No life, Adrian.
7,840 Newton. 7,840 Newton. The question is question number 8. The question is question number 8, and I read for both schools. Question number 8. The variance of a variance of a particular chemical element which differed in neutron number and
Two.
consequently in
Two. Two.
two.
Sugar.
Complete.
And consequently, in the number of proton is referred to as what?
And what is your
In the
answer?
yetic atomos.
Asomor. Asomor is not correct. Your question. Variance of particular chemical element with diff, which different in neutron number and consequently in the in proton number is referred to as what?
Tigre.
Secret. What is the answer?
I go for isotope.
Isotope is precise for 10 points. Take 10 points for isotope. The question is question number last. The last question to climb out this game. And I read the temperature and pressure. The temperature and pressure at which the liquid and gas phase of a substance have the same density and become indis-
Hold on, hold on,
indispensable
hold on, 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 hold on.
is referred to as
Hold on,
what?
hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold. True Vine's not in studio. Hold. True Vine's not in studio. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give us a few seconds there. This is the third place match between William VS Tubman Gray and True Vine. The score here is 40 points to True Vine and 30 to William VS Tubman Gray. Um, all right. So, let's give ourselves a few seconds. Juvan, can you hear me?
Yeah, Pigeon.
T Gray, can you hear me? Okay, Thomas, please go ahead.
The question. The question number last. The last question to come out this game. And I read the ratio of an object's speed to the speed of sound in the surrounding medium is referred to as
Two.
what?
True.
Two.
True.
In a
Two.
surrounding medium to be precise, which are named after NS mass is called what?
What is your answer?
Mass number or mass one.
Match number is precise for 10 points. Take 10 points for match number. And folks, that's how we come to the end of this game. And that was the last question in the game.
Okay. So, folks, that's the end of the road here for the third place match. T Gray, 30 points, and True Vine, 50 points. All right. So, guys, the message always remain the same. We just come here or we give up our time, the coordinators and the moderators, just to make sure that you're reading. So just keep up the good work and keep reading. If you're taking WIAC or WAS, go back and start to focus on WAS from this moment. All right. So good luck to all of you. And the coordinators will take care of you from the background. Thank you for the time and have a wonderful week. Thomas, can you see the audience out?
So to the audience there, I want to say thank you for joining us. This was the therapeutic match, and the score remained 30 points to T Gray and 50 points to Chuvan. The matching is 20 points in favor of Chuvan. Thank you.
All right. So please join us in about 30 seconds to a minute for the last game of the day, which is going to be a grand final. Thanks.